Everyone thinks you need to spend $500,000 to get a fully furnished modern tiny house delivered to your door. But what if I told you there's a company that'll deliver your dream home for less than the price of a luxury car? Because today, I'm showing you 10 incredible tiny houses that come completely furnished and ready to live in. And some cost less than what most people spend on a wedding. Before we dive into these game-changing homes, let me set the record straight. I've spent the last 6 months researching every prefab tiny house company in America, and 99% of them either deliver empty shells that cost a fortune to finish, or they're so expensive they might as well be regular houses. But Zook Cabins, they're doing something completely different. These aren't just tiny houses, they're turnkey living solutions that arrive with everything from the kitchen sink to the bedroom furniture. And by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one fits your budget, your lifestyle, and your dreams. House number 10, the Rockwood. Let's kick things off with what might be the best value in tiny house living today. The Rockwood spans 399 square feet of pure modern elegance. We're talking birch plywood cabinetry with soft close hardware, quartz countertops that would make your neighbor's kitchen renovation jealous, and luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. The covered deck isn't just an add-on. It's an extension of your living space that seamlessly blends indoor and outdoor living. But here's what really sets the Rockwood apart. It comes with dual mini split units for climate control, a 20-gallon electric water heater, and a 100-amp electrical panel that can handle all your modern conveniences. This isn't camping, this is living. The bedroom accommodates a queen-size bed with built-in storage, while the bathroom features a glass-enclosed shower with subway tile that screams sophistication. And that kitchen? 2-burner electric cooktop, microwave, apartment-size refrigerator, and enough cabinet space to actually cook meals instead of just heating up ramen. House number 9, the Luna. Here's where we enter luxury tiny house territory. The Luna isn't just expensive because of fancy marketing, it's expensive because of what you're getting for your money. This is the result of collaboration between New Frontier Design and Zook Cabins, combining thoughtful design with proven construction methods. At 396 square feet, every detail has been considered and reconsidered. The exterior combines black textured metal siding with stained cedar accents and LED valance lighting around the large gable window. It's architecture that belongs in design magazines, not just tiny house blogs. Inside, luxury vinyl plank flooring, white painted shiplap walls, and oak slatted accent walls create layers of texture and visual interest. The custom floating platform bed with integrated LED strip lights isn't just furniture, it's a design statement. The kitchen features birch cabinets with soft closed doors and drawers, quartz countertops, and 6 floating shelves with integrated LED lighting. The 30-inch white farmhouse sink and black faucet combination creates a focal point that's both functional and beautiful. But the bathroom justifies the price tag. 5-foot fiberglass shower with glass door, white floating vanity with solid surface countertop, 24-inch modern frameless LED mirror, and electric wall heater. Every fixture, every finish, every detail represents the highest quality available. House number 8, the Nook family. Now, what if you're thinking, this all sounds great, but I need space for more than just myself? Most tiny house companies will tell you to buy 2 units. At 255 square feet, this isn't just bigger, it's smarter. We're talking about a home that sleeps 4 people without feeling like a sardine can. How? A built-in king bed platform on the main level and a loft space that fits a queen bed. It's like they took the concept of efficient living and actually made it livable for families. The kitchen comes fully loaded with custom birch cabinets, a single-bowl granite sink, 2-burner electric cooktop, and a full-size refrigerator. Not a mini fridge, a real refrigerator where you can actually store groceries for more than 3 days. But here's the genius part. They've designed separate sleeping areas that give everyone privacy. The main bedroom has its own entrance, while the loft feels like a secret hideaway. Kids love it, guests appreciate it, and you'll wonder why every tiny house isn't designed this way. The bathroom, full-size shower, custom vanity, and enough space that you don't have to perform yoga poses just to brush your teeth. House number 7, the Aspen. Zook Cabins delivers a 400 square foot masterpiece that looks like it belongs on a luxury resort brochure. The Aspen features solid eastern white pine logs that are kiln dried and stained to perfection. This isn't fake log siding. These are real logs that will age beautifully and provide natural insulation that'll keep your utility bills lower than your city friend's monthly coffee budget. Inside, you're greeted by tongue-and-groove southern yellow pine ceilings with exposed log beams. The great room combines kitchen and living space seamlessly, while the loft adds versatility. Use it as a second bedroom, office, or the art studio you keep promising yourself you'll create. The kitchen doesn't compromise. 2-burner induction cooktop, full-size fridge, over-the-range microwave, and custom-painted wood cabinets with these Formica countertops. The bathroom features a 4-foot shower and 30-inch vanity. Luxury in a compact footprint. But here's what really sells the Aspen, that 7x11 covered porch. It's not just an entry, it's your morning coffee spot, evening wine location, and rainy day retreat all rolled into one. House number 6, the Pinecrest. If the Aspen is for log cabin romantics, the Pinecrest is for log cabin families. Same price point, same stunning eastern white pine construction, but with a layout that actually makes sense for multiple people. We're talking 400 square feet with 2 full bedrooms plus a loft. That's sleeping space for 6 people without anyone having to sleep on the couch. The main bedroom fits a queen bed comfortably, while the second bedroom works perfectly as kids' room or guest space. The loft isn't an afterthought. It's a full 7.5 feet tall with windows and a staircase, not a ladder that requires rock climbing skills. Use it as bedroom 3, a play area, or that home office that actually has enough headroom to stand up in. Kitchen specs mirror the Aspen, full functionality and a compact design. But the Pinecrest adds extra storage throughout, because families need places to put stuff. Lots of stuff. The bathroom layout is brilliant. 4-foot shower, 30-inch vanity, and enough floor space that multiple people can get ready without bumping elbows. It's the little things that make family living work. House number 5, the Sonoma. Remember those tiny house shows where everything looks perfect until you realize there's nowhere to put your coffee mug? The Sonoma solved that problem by focusing on what tiny house living actually requires: smart storage and flexible spaces. At 396 square feet, the Sonoma maximizes every inch. The bedroom isn't just a bed in a box. It's a retreat with a large window, custom closet with pocket door, and space for an actual dresser. Revolutionary, right? The living area features that Instagram-worthy electric fireplace with wood surround and LED lighting. But it's not just for show. It's functional heating that creates a cozy atmosphere while keeping utility costs reasonable. The kitchen might be compact, but it's complete. Under-counter fridge, 2-burner induction, cooktop, custom walnut veneer cabinets, and quartz countertops. The sink is perfectly sized, the storage is thoughtfully planned, and everything has its place. Here's what sets the Sonoma apart. The bathroom features a walk-in shower with glass enclosure and enough space to actually use. No more shower gymnastics required. But the real winner? The entry area includes a built-in bench with storage and coat hooks. Finally, a tiny house designer who understands that people need somewhere to put their stuff when they walk in the door. House number 4, the Cascade. Most tiny house companies think bigger means just stretching a small design. The Cascade proves that bigger means smarter design. At 396 square feet, it's not just about more space. It's about better space. 2 full bedrooms at opposite ends of the home create natural privacy zones. The living and kitchen area sits in the middle, creating a natural gathering space. But here's the genius part. There's also a loft that's accessible from one of the bedrooms, creating a private suite arrangement. The kitchen layout is what happens when designers actually cook. Full kitchen functionality with a 10 cubic foot counter-depth refrigerator, 2-burner electric cooktop, microwave with cabinet above, and enough counter space to actually prepare meals. The open floor plan doesn't mean echo chamber. Carefully planned ceiling treatments and materials create warmth and acoustic comfort. Those large windows aren't just for show. They're strategically placed to maximize natural light while maintaining privacy. Both bedrooms fit queen beds comfortably, and the bathroom includes a 4-foot fiberglass shower and elongated toilet. It's family-friendly without sacrificing style. House number 3, the Yukon. The Yukon represents a shift in thinking about what tiny house living can be. At 296 square feet, it's not the biggest on our list, but it might be the most luxurious per square foot. This isn't just a tiny house. It's a mountain retreat that happens to be tiny. The covered entry porch with premium Luna wood decking sets the tone. The vertical cypress exterior siding isn't just beautiful. It's a maintenance-free material that'll look great for decades. Inside, luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout. Walls finished in painted birch plywood, and white oak tongue-and-groove ceiling with exposed beams create an atmosphere that's both rustic and refined. The kitchen focuses on quality over quantity. Quartz countertops, stained wood accent wall, single bowl undermount bar sink, and under-counter refrigerator with freezer compartment. The upper shelf includes built-in LED accent lighting. It's the details that make the difference. But the bathroom is where the Yukon really shines. Custom floating vanity with quartz counter, zero entry shower with linear drain and recessed niche, glass shower door, and tile flooring. This is resort-quality luxury in a tiny house package. The 50-inch electric fireplace with faux stone veneer creates a focal point that works for both heating and ambiance. Combined with the single mini-split system, climate control is both efficient and effective. House number 2, the Denali. If the Yukon is a mountain retreat, the Denali is a mountain lodge. At 384 square feet plus a 120 square foot covered deck, you're getting space that lives much larger than its footprint suggests. The covered deck isn't just a porch. It's an outdoor room with premium decking and black aluminum railings. It's where you'll spend your mornings with coffee and your evenings planning the next day's adventures. Inside, the cathedral ceiling with white oak tongue and groove and exposed beams creates dramatic vertical space. The 50-inch electric fireplace anchors the living area, while the sliding patio door connects indoor and outdoor living seamlessly. The kitchen represents a new level of functionality. Custom cabinets with white oak veneer, brushed gold hardware, quartz countertops, stained wood accent wall, and a proper 17-inch stainless steel undermount sink. The under-counter refrigerator with freezer compartment is larger than many studio apartment fridges, but it's the bathroom that'll make you forget you're in a tiny house. Custom floating vanity with quartz counter, wall-hung toilet, zero entry shower with premium tile look wall panels, glass shower door, and a 60-inch freestanding tub. Yes, a real bathtub in a tiny house that doesn't require you to fold yourself into origami positions. House number 1, the Nook Studio. What if I told you the most expensive house on our list per square foot might also be the smartest purchase? The Nook Studio represents peak tiny house efficiency at just 204 square feet. This isn't about living in less space. It's about living in perfectly designed space. Every square inch has been optimized for both function and beauty. The built-in king bed platform with integrated step isn't just space-saving, it's space-creating. The kitchen may be compact, but it's complete. Custom birch cabinets with flat panel doors, single bowl granite sink, 2-burner electric cooktop, and under-counter refrigerator. The wall-mounted round metal table provides dining space that disappears when not needed. But here's why the Nook Studio commands premium pricing. It comes in 2 versions. The base model gives you everything you need for comfortable living. The Peak model adds LED light strips throughout, glass shower door, keypad exterior lock, screen door, exterior stairs, and custom signage throughout. The bathroom includes a custom vanity with black laminate counters and vessel sink. The shower features option for premium tile look wall panels and glass door. It's luxury scaled to fit, not luxury compromised for size. Look, I've shown you 10 incredible tiny houses, each with their own personality and features. But here's the thing, and this is something most tiny house YouTubers won't tell you. The price is just the beginning. These houses come fully furnished, completely wired, properly insulated, and ready for immediate occupancy. When you factor in the cost of furnishing and finishing a traditional tiny house shell, these prices start looking like the bargains they actually are. The question isn't whether you can afford one of these houses. The question is whether you can afford to keep paying rent or mortgage payments on a space that doesn't make you happy. Every single one of these homes can be delivered anywhere in the continental United States. Everyone comes with full warranties and the backing of a company that's been perfecting tiny house construction for years. But don't take my word for it. I visited several of these models in person, and I'll be honest, the quality exceeded my expectations. These aren't flimsy structures that'll blow over in the first strong wind. These are homes built to RVIA standards with engineering that prioritizes both safety and longevity. If you're serious about tiny house living, start with the Rockwood. It offers the best balance of space, features, and affordability. If you need family space, the Nook family is unmatched. If you want luxury, the Luna and Denali deliver experiences you won't find anywhere else at these price points. The tiny house revolution isn't about living with less. It's about living with intention. These 10 houses prove that you don't have to compromise quality, comfort, or style just because you're choosing a smaller footprint. And if you found this helpful, you need to watch my next video where I break down the hidden costs of tiny house living that nobody talks about. Because knowing these 10 houses exist is just the beginning of your tiny house journey.